and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video we are going to create an Easter card using some of Trinity's latest release. I am going to be using the picket fence cutout die, and I started my project here by cutting it out of a standard A2 size card panel, and you will see here in a second how everything looks when it's all cut out. It has this cute fence and a window that is perfect for scene building, and that is exactly what I'm going to do today. And I just love sets like this. I think it's so easy to create cards with. And then I took a piece of Nina cardstock and cut it in half and then scored it at the half as well, so I get a standard A2 size card panel here. And then I will create my focal point here on a separate piece of cardstock. So I'm using my blending buddies here, brushes from Trinity, and I am using a variety of colors, and you can see here how easy it is to blend. And I'm just keeping my panel here as a reference because I just want the colors to be intense in the middle there where my fence or my scene is, with this fence that will be going on top. So you can see here how I'm doing this, just building up the colors here. And I will go full rainbow on this card, so you will see that I will have all of the colors here. And to my scrap piece of paper that I'm having underneath my cardstock that I'm blending with, I'm just dabbing off every time so I get a smooth transition between the colors. And when I'm happy with how everything looks, I will stop this and just adhere my panel on top. And for my last step here, the purple, you can see that ties everything together in a perfect rainbow here. And don't mind the mess there because we will cover up a lot of it. And for the sentiment, I will use the Big Easter cut and foil set. So you have the shadow piece, you have your hot foiling plate if you like to do that, and also the more detailed layer that you can have on top of your shadow to create some dimension. I will only use the most sort of detailed layer for my project today. And then I stamped out my little vintage bunny here. That is a cute, I believe it's 3x3 or 4x3. It's a small stamp set with only 2 images, perfect for Easter cards, and it also has a great price point. So I just colored him in. I think he's super sweet and a great size for filling up a large piece of your cardstock or card front. I just picked Copic markers because that is the medium that I'm most comfortable using when I'm coloring. I'm using 3 shades, and that is my go-to. I rarely use more than 3 layers or 3 shades of the same color. And I just kept working on him, and then I colored in his clothes and everything, the eggs in a rainbow matter here, so you can see how it looks super sweet. And I also will go in with a white gel pen later on. And for now I bumped everything up with foam tape, so I get that little bit of dimension between my background and the fence. And then I put my bunny on top, super sweet. By the way, there is coordinating dies for that vintage bunny, and I used them to cut him out. And then I put my Easter sentiment on, and we're soon finished with this card project. And those clouds, I love them. I use them so much in different projects. I think they are super sweet for scene buildings like this that are really easy. Just creates some nice texture and dimension. So I hope you liked this project and got inspired to create something. All of the products that I used in this video are available over at Trinity's website, and I will leave links down below for it. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!